you enokbia. Letali, odo who are Italy. Iwaya we shora ma wu. Iwaya winugbo ma winugbo ona mo ekoti nyawu. Ana mi go bi juani awogu ne began. Awogu yegan e mo ya ni ju ebiete ya ohuwa. Ami adugwa ropa. Nugbe ya gwa le mi no rototo emi no popu we kate noro iri ju aze no popu eju ma ge gwe bie nugwa avie ki ala wa ni ju gwa aga bo omo bi je no ga kia Ebony bi je ga kia wa mo kia la wa ju gwe go me ka dan re bo wo wa ri ye kia wo da mu mo me nu gbe o ba gbon nu ohuwa Ebony no my bestie, no we a bestie. No tabu anu su hungu vagbon. Izi egbe kabe you have bien u izi egbe wa bi omo. Ame hon de gugwe ne boni go everyone no na miscarry nu gbe o vagbon. No gun ba gwe nu su hungu. Ni ba bo la ju egbe. E sharon nu gbe ga mu e bo gbe bo vagbon. E bangwe ido bi ku gbagbo na gwa do de ba e. Wo hua. Lare we vati egogosie amo imi ko ye gbe kan no be oni wa be tabo oni ohua oni se wa ye mu enwe no be webo iba bona wa fi ekun lele oni na iwa la one chance ya go ni of vie no ipale ohu oni wa ogi be webo from one room to another squatting association. Mr. Ibu was squatting lele yakia. How was squatting? I beg you squat me. Nene festina only wa ohua. Wadwa teme e baby father ge Sharon. Oh wa onya. Ama mi ogugwa na wo kan. Ebony no sun gu bagbon ni babo no gun gbiju e. Ni babo laju egbeju da shawo. Ebony no bi ashawo owegwi enyo bi enye egwi si papa no bi ezion obiju ona bi ni ba bola wa bi ju egbe obiju ona bi usaka no bi na iju na egbe o kake no ti ewe to ta na egbe bi me bonu gwe 4 years ago ina bonu ina gwenu la awowo awedi o ma no mu egbe ekia ina wa wedi o ma ri mi e Joanu we sogo na re sogo hu ina wonu mu egbe kia no mo kwe de lari abi ata wo bi Ebony na hin o gege gwe ma mi emu yu kegbe Sharon ke wu na ke fija u da no bi ma wo to fija o mi emu yu kegbe Sharon fija ni ayi je mo je na ne Sharon fi yo to ni ebe gwe emi asimina gwega Ebony vi ju asimi wa si ayi ju oto o se bon straight yi ju oto sister bon straight ije Ebony no sungu Ebony ga gu wo fi ju oto bon straight kake be kia eke bati sugar daddy se bon straight ya you oto ije Ebony no ohu abagbo no ogun bagbu e Ebony ga igu baku e uda Ebony e kian fi ya yin kian wu uda o ma bia ya gbon ere me imi Ebony me imi ene bagbon ene ba eze ene boke ene uloko ene bo o salo bo ade ba me Ebony ai wa wu ni oda iwa fiyan wu ije Ebony ai hin asimi emi no ya asimi eje ni emi eje simi o ga simi bon straight no go bi yen no wa se bon straight yen ni o wa se bon straight Ebony yen ni o iju asimi bon straight ni ba bo fi ekun le lu enu gbe o ba gbon ne Sharon ti ewe mu be mi no ye wo fi agbo Sharon fi ja ni ona mi o mo si ayi yo to we ga wu Ebony we afi you water. Oh, you no wa ho wa no no ye be kan no gbele kan me Italy ni awo wu ne Italy o wu ne bu gbe kan ba ni oni ma be bie you wa ho wa you ke no ba gbon do wu re o ba gbon do po pangolo nu wa pe pangolo la din nu gba o ba gbon awo ebo ne bu wa ti nu wa wo popo wa awo bu da o se ni you do wo ga ro gbe ba wo fie no o gbe mi ni you ba wu ha wetu you your boss le ona si le kana si do ni ba bola wegbe Ebony wa mo kala wa ya ga we Ebony ye ga ho iye atawo wi me ha that guy try get no wa ya naki we wa ye yi you to Ebony elachi bon straight elachi o via la chi ku you to you ga mo la chi wo mo bon straight o mo enwe na enwe wa wa bo fi ekun le luwe ayo lo ko so ko na yo nana do mi ni awe Sharon no ri fija nu wewe me Sharon o ma no ye o bone ya gbe Sharon ma no ya gbo emi igo gun okin agbo ejiju awo Ebony vai na mi na wo we do asimi o se ge ne Sharon yi yen wu gwa no asimi o se ge ni yeah, Ebony, ekwemwe. Wee hu. Woo. Ekita ga gbo we here. Bigo e shigwa ya ga gbo we here. Ebony bia. Woo. Wow, wa reported in the video. If I bo fear kun le lu Ebony. Ekita ya gbo we here de gu I a o ya gbe mo tegbo veni gbo be le mi igbo mamu iya wi am we no taba uwe no ku Ebony no be fair brother Ebony we gbe fair brother we nu hu we be your mori Ebony your mori Ebony your mori Ebony your mori oh mama mi oh si palo mama o malu Ebony ladian we na me bi o fe me gogo awe a o ma a do bo mi o fon ri bi e so pon we o ya push mi ni dai ire no who we push yi ladian have me ya ati so ni we kian bo e fi an wu Ebony o dead de push yi ha what's why you te push your daughter we suppose already they push yi we be ti push nu gbe o bagbon Sandra no mo vi agbogun nu we ka you nu zan le social media na me nu ka you nu zan Sharon no ma bagbon mi no je bu ke mo fekere Sandra nu we you nu zan bi o ya bo wa yegbo ogugwe ni amami nu bo yegbo amami nu bo ya dagbon amami nu bo ya da nu gbe o bagbon amami nu bo ye city Debi obe no we ya boye ba ti ere uwe ba ti ere igwa yan me amami enu bo nu gbe o bagbon Sandra we ri la lo ni Sandra Sandra la gogo bi je me wa ko bi egbe enwon lo ma be gun dana ne do wi emi ju e bae mu da yin wa gbo fu gbogbo dedebe we dede bi opa agri pani o wa gbo fo we yo Sandra o ma no saga we Sandra gbogun na we nu ya mare nu ya bie o ma ni ohu o ma ene gbe nda ubie ne owu o mo do o ma yin o mo do ara wu agbodo yo ma din Sharon ma bie o ma bi ofe o ma bi atalapa o ma bie hi iwe Sharon ga Ebony no sun wu bagbon Ebony ma bie hi Obasuyi ya se gbi go kekan na ya to le ho Ebony ma swa elajan Sandra no bi agbogun enwon lo wa kwa alegbo mi egbe oro je ege abi emi fi owe ba Sandra o salobwa mi ata mi agogeta Ebony na hudan wa no hudan no gbabe Ebony ekwe mu wewe ayedo laja apo pra gbogbo hudan wonu mo yizi hun Iziegbe no enegbe nu iziegbe anatogbu Ebony no sungu no eva bola ju egbe ni ba bo fi ekun le liju no ma TV bude nu ni ba bo fi ekun le liju no ma TV bude nu eku emu gwe who gwe yeah easy everybody wrong he manipulate everybody wewo wa be star mana wo ye star you de zuzu Esther ma egbe boni de. Warrior Esther la who de zuzu gangi. Who de zuzu? They get money. They get money. Then what do I say to ye gbo ye so na ye ki agona bolewa. Nu gbe o bagbon. Azikina no ma bagbon ge. O piane ele sharon biele na. He tu gbe tebe nu gbe si ki ayu he. Wa ya gbagba le kini no wuka. Ko we o ke Mr. Ibo. Ke ne Festina no who are sister Dipoti. Il va pas faire le l'oni de Nigeria. Et Sharon no bien Ivie na Sharon no bien guana. O bien aze ne Festina bien o mieda. Ya se gbe pa di kaka na bien you e Sharon. O de gi Festina. Festina una guado tota. Le Sharon ragbon o mi e bo bugwa nu gbe o ragbon. E Festina sister Dipoti. Festina you they come out now. Hey, Sharon is my best friend. Hey, Sharon was my best friend. Festina. Where mamu ele ne Sharon who were bien. You call Sharon your friends. Where mamu your friend. Sharon was your friend. Where mamu ele ne Sharon who were bien. Eh, Sharon who were bien. Eh, who bona doa who bien no bel bagno. Igo ya le Sharon ga kwa me webo. Igo ya o ga bi go ge. Ete Sharon obi we ye motle allowance nu gbe o bagbon nu o wa. No gbo bagbo e. Wenu wa higher la de no de. Ebony no taban. Ni ba bo fi ekun le liju no gbo ba na gbiju ni o gbo ga gbiju Ebony. Iju no wa iju no gba we ki apa. Ebony vijana gba we ki apa yan gba sim ye ki apa nu gbe o bagbon. O vi untan. Like mother like daughter no o wa. Menu wa ya be mani be no de fe u wa geni wo be Sharon do ma pa ne Sharon geni wo boy wu wa ha ero gbere si egbe isi egbe o ga bi be ne Sharon isi egbe ye emi ya fe da ya le lo seku isi egbe ya le Sharon ku le Sharon ne de gbe le ku Sharon obi obi e no ka o isi egbe obi la wa when anybody na uladia una do ya ge Sharon o wizi egbo bi e la wa eku emu e o ri e o hu abe we bodu gbe o bagbon e ba kun do defend enu we ba be wu nu gbe ge ni se gbe ya fi we is egbe go avi e nu gbe awu is egbe avi enu mi agwa be fi enu gbe ima nego me gwa gwa fi e Ioni vie we Sharon Ebony no ho. Ioni vie we wa fin awu yiju a one. Muda ijo e ho. Ijo na gale akwo no enegbe. Okake no vie mi ba mi. No ta me ba me. No vie mi ba mi. No ya gwa la we. Di ha ga ijo. Do ga ito la de o. No ya vie e yunu. We mi na hia we u bere enia. De mi na ga vie mo bo ne Ebony no na mi o mu he bia bagbona. No na de bi odo no mu yo wa. Error. Pick and drop. On a pick you where not drop you back way. Not by pick you where not drop you where we are. Well, I did my mama, where me, my picking. Now we are two where single mother and a TV and you can see go mother. How where Bonnie is a single mother. Have you your back in away? Eh, Sharon, you got monogamy. At ye mimi, ye mimi, mama mimi, mama mimi, mama mimi, oh, mama mimi, mama mimi, oh, mama sawase. Then I two way no bell bagmo. Then I two way. Do you wanna get a neck big woman or market? Ni you wear you with ball. No yabi where, or you know, or yo. Ogwa yo ifi ani aga we kwa yo you know we ubege eni abaga ibi mo bo de na hin bi mo bo na do mi re boni o you e bi bagbona o dede mi o pe aron mu amugwe ta hugwe Aga ho we dumpy we. Aga ho we dumpy. Fuck and dump. Fuck and dump. Fuck and dump. Nou gbe o bagbon. E festina nara sister dipoti. E omo wu yagi jayo ma gbe ba. Wa ya yo mi agbo ya yo we gbe. E festina. Omo dipoti we a festina sister dipoti. Sister dipoti. Dipoti, dipoti, dipoti. Deporte, oh, sister, deporte. Festina, no deporte. A festina say 50 years, you know. We are raga, we Ebony, we are now. A toya no de suwe, yak you lagwene. Ori wa gulu gulu, Ebony, we are now, get the dead done. Sister, deporte. Now ya deport to work away, boy, wa. Go ma me kiak pan over the ticket, no go no we visa no way. No we visa no we Italy Italy okpa me don where we Charlie no that we Charlie common wa or common wa you about odo Augustra of your no you can never see them in Austria unless you have your Italian here to visit or train wa 2 days here we gbe pa agwa be you abagun no we difference we come for visit amamie. Hey, Shaman no ma beke no ye. Oh, zebe buwe. Hey, padi mi ya fe. Ana ebe do mie. What? Unwe shabo hian ti wa hamu. Unwe shabo hian ti we mu. Ebony la wa. Ebony ni ma gwa lo bugwe. What you want hear from you? Ebony bio mama. Oh, bio mama. Me ya do gbe siwo no ho abagbon. Olawe ne. Aira u. Oh, lugwe ne we ri bie. 46 years old. They no ya bie. Ebony we yemi a period in ugbe o bakun. Ara ugwe e pakan pokoriti. Uhu we ye you your coffee. Uhu Ebony e you your coffee o ara we. E you Uwe we ti fuku ara ho Ebony. E ti fuku. Agwa e ti for your coffee. Pakpo. How we giti ruta we fie ne we gi mo bome. Who e negi okwo ne mo bome. O aga we ki ade yo ga ti pa. Hoga salo me na salo ne bisco salo. Na fie me ye bisco. E u fio coffee fio. Oh, when you me, when you more bomb, when you me period, who has the carry your go? How go and I hear where Ebony, I was the carry your oh, salo boy ne banga di filo. Oh, ye na vie. Ah, ba ye men. Oh, ga tuk pa. Oh, ye na ten. Oh, paga. Rasa. Oh, paga was the salo. Me no paga wa monse wa so salo ga pa. Oh, ye na file. Va tiere banga di vege mi po. Oh, pa. If you weigh ya to who we eat off your coffee or no wabagbo, we mu when we lawa. We eat off your coffee. Who give your coffee or call? Who we give your coddy? Who we? He back bella mano. Oye na swaba. Abano woode. Who ya die as well was the sweat but se mi ke do ala diamo. Oh, Hoga ton. La se. Aba no ye me gbo wa bi o ya yo fien. Hoga. Nu gba wa gbon. Ebony, iwe nu lagwa. Ebony. I know they go. Nothing concern don't move industry. Ugu tabaneme. Vo tagbo nu yo doni. Ugbe adio tonedo ana buwe yuwe. Kwa bi yuwe no ga we kiakpa. Okpe ado we boni wo wa. Oga we boni fo na ya yo bo mu ni yenwe. I the neighbor baba ma. Ije kwa ogwa ye gbo fun me na yo bo mi ni enwe. When you yuwe wa ye hiyo ma so yuwe ye fi lo ki ole lo we do hian. Eh, small boys all ye who you work here about don't bell back money about Bola with Beku work if you were here. Oh, you went Oregon. I the go you care as I like. I the go you care as I like. No bell back more. No work here you care as you like. Your market can we have a passport in anywhere. You the go you care as you like. When you care as you like, you and Oregon with Talumati, I be a lawyer and no bell back more. No, you are not legal. We want what would never. You are about fear cool and work if you were. You and all who are you and Amufio. You and the Dubalama. You and who are not to Cuba, who are not to Cuba. I am a seeker. We are pony to Cuba. We are pony to Cuba. Like mother, like daughter. I will not to Cuba. Had to go England, had to go UK. Here UK when I go when I Latini, when I Yaki, when I Yubo, no Belbagmo, who might have a lawyer, I got money, that got money, that got money. No, there's Susu, no Belbagmo, when Uzuzu send ya, Uzuzu la ha. Uzuzu, mighty Susu, Mola, Jabu, Ebony, oh, there's Susu, oh, there's Susu, oh, there's Susu, oh, then Uzuzu, Senya, Amami, Mokpano, Zuzu, la Diabu, I want to be not here. We don't know, I want your sick palo, oh, sick palo, Zuzu, la Diabu. Ah, honey, I wear Bonnie Zuzu here. I want to be your sick palo, Zuzu, la Diabu. Who mammy ever pano Zuzu, la Diabu, when you bell back more. I know easy boyfriend, recent boyfriend. Where me? Eta who we move forward no bell back more. Ni ma bo fear kun le luwe. No ma enegbe. Ai wa ladia. Where go gugwe? La re boni wege gugwe gi ma. Where ye gugwe ta ye? Where ye gugwe ta zingbe? Izegbe yo gigbe no we. Where ye gugwe ya ta yizegbe. Gugwe ki yizegbe a ri o mese. Wabi easy na here o there ta wo sim yi wo wabi easy gbe wo ye no kwa no gbe o bagbo o gbo we ya ye gidi ho ye na otukwe ra una wo gbo otukwe ra wo ya ye gidi we ami ogbo ga ki odigi Ebony agwa gbogbo yo to egboko ija wa le babe ame wa le babe ya no gbe o bagbo wo e no gbe a e sister seli boy e sali boy no ma enegbe. E sali boy no hua. E sali boy no ma me boyfriend. E sali boy no ma. Then we her friend. E do first daughter. Then we tell wa must so where you is yegbe no yes no zignemi. Then we must say na when we no you we do knows like oyibo knows. We no we want na iwebo. Amare mi okpiapa no reta we if you don't bury be akpa myself. Amare mi okpiapa no ta we I die. At least no red no ne spam your way who hen we be wunda we set it be na marabe who set it be we fiene eri on your back fibroid agboa Ebony you can we hospital ya me doctor when no get doctor ma we ni ameke na agbo fibroid Adobo gbe yen wu ya bie so kan ya gbe babia na wu ga ifian wu mi eke na bie babia be wu da wu gbe mana mu e fibroid ni Ebony wu ga bia agbon bia be wu bie wu da fibroid here wa ya lele we all the lele we di agbon bia be fibroid na no wa wu we ko na we ma ti mu wa se yuko ya we kia who say you ke o ma mi emi who agbele kia you eke 1 pound give me 10 pound. Give me from back. I give you jara. 10 pound, 10 pound, to 10 pound, to 10 pound. Why was it you go wabi go wafi go 10 pound, 10 pound, 10 pound, 10 pound. No bayo bagno. No so go bagno no is egbe talk wa. La re when festina. Sister no la webo. Umami abebo ya bebo. They do say webo festina. Uye okay, uye amen. Uye okay, uye amen. Ya dame o. Festina uye okay, uye amen. Ami ke no mamu e la festina. Festina mu e ye. Scandinavia. Ha mu e ye Spain. Ha mu Italy. Ha mu ye France. Ha mu ye mi ati e debo. Ha mu ye Germany. Ha mu ye Iceland. Omuye as waterland. Omuye winterland. Omuye summerland. Amie kene e festima na mamuela o you e gbashawo lele o ewe boya uwe to the cry. Uwe festina na ga so amefe na ga rokwa uhe o na ga vie bo give me freedom. I need freedom. Give me then we se festina ana ye deport we miete mo ya ari owa. Sister Gwegwegwe, una gwegwe kia you here, eke 10 euro. Have a whole world for 10 euro a year had a TV Rasuya with Jarania. Ah, market, wanya deport to go of your no. Oh, what back a bedi net there. No more yotoba, no ye go and in. I want to tell you I will live video and bell. Is your daddy? No, wah. No, what festina on my neck, sister deportee. Eh, Sharon see you were bear. Is yet see you were bear, is yet but when I deport you, who you who egg big bear gane, every work but is yet baka, or yeah, we bomb bashawo. Where Ebony, no matter the via webonia, no matter webo where tea, don't tie a webo, or where every monty a yare, or what a wayful. Ebony are ye a webo, or ye you came in 1 month, egbo. Uheni, oh yeah, now I'm aware bosses since 50 years. Uheni wabi alwa, uega fuku lele Ebony no no zebo, we no tapa, Ebony lawa. Lare, mi ati goroti. If I bo one like you wegbe, you ewa ho, cause you are one boo, whoa. Goroti. Lare iya gu wegun. Iyu ene iya gbo fi won sa. Ana wu hiye goroti ni ambe ru won sa we won sa. We are mi yo ye yo to ba ye be bo atuti ene bo. Egboku. Iyu ga nene wani. Oga nene pum. Iyu ga nene you work your vie no. Ni ba bo la you work be ba gun we ne goroti no sun. Lare, iju gwe seti bi bude nu gwe bi mebe bieme. E Sharon bien na iye gwe e baby father si mi omo. Mi me gwe be bie. E me wa wu goroti ni ju be bie bi si mi. Goroti we agwero mo si mi omo. Wa agwere mo omo nu ma re ya emoni umare na ya nekun ya e. Umare ne e Mr. Isaac no ma wa gun omo no e negbo pia no e negbe no e no ma. O pia no e oji. Umare ne e brodani e boy any gaziki. Umare no ya hu Sharon e di e kola we ona mo kone do da wo la we. Umare do piani we no ya fiere kun e. Una wo ale lesi bi mo. Ah, goroti e ro ga si mi wo un like di. Uga gbe o. O bi o ga gbo e. Goroti we be bia ya gbon na be mi ni you are si mi vo. Hey, yes, Sharon, be si mi omona. Yes, Sharon, si mi je. Yes, Sharon, si mi je. Yes, Sharon, si mi je. Goroti, when I give you a wunya, then you are si. You are the me si mi. Yes, body at the devil me bon straight to kakebe. I like see me. Where a bon straight or go vienna. Here I was see me oh. On our being see you, Tony, a coco. How good when ya? Umega here. After many years in the web in Europe, you squatty lele ya here. And I squatty yoga joy. Here was squatty yoga Miriam. Unia squatty yoga Adesua. No so who go back no a squatters club. He lave ditali mama work be government. Where it by Italian we have here worry. After many years in the web. He who walk by making of yes, son. Why are they talking? And this person don't chop my money. I can't carry her. I can't pay hotel for her. I can't bend for her. Coroti gonna wear a bad drinking. I don't know when we were here, when we are when we are feeling yet, we are on way. Oh, who were setting life with flat in the way? Coroti bangway ask sporty. I was feeling where he bang. And I immediately Sharon know who will give you a guy. Ojama so mi iyu e hohoa Fuen ni you ije goroti. Fuen we madam. Ekwe mo geki. I goroti. Dete mu if you go biele na wa baby papa walk back binana. Ah una wa di we yogere. We mami no ugwe ni ya. Amo eto mu ekonu. We give me wumbi ni ya. Una amwe umu. Emwe na sayo we konia ekokin emufa gba awe konia ri lo mori. Awe ko ri ya me laje mo eto lo mori. Awe gumbe awe ti awa mu ye na mu fi we toilet ana flush e kwa pro. Ana flush e gumbi we kemi ya no wa we bu agota kwa jale ya na mu fi toilet na mu fi latri. Ana flush e kwa flush e kwa wo fe ya no we kana e ya bi ni ne e ri epa la re goroti I ene na ogwo ba bezo ene na ogwo wa din waye since how many months wa ade wa agun ari yen nuta wa ugwe bi agbon do si o sere ugwe agbon u bi agbon do ko kiviere ivie imi we ugwe ki wa be ko ge shabana ne oge shabana no ba be wuse aida wa ko kin ane kebe wa pa o da hu ahu e bani akwa ehu e ne bani o tun no ku na yan woda bi bia Nigeria oni ahu ba o iwa wu egbe po wa bi Nigeria gbo akoko mo odo ndo we bi agbon do ko kiri ma no gu nu wa agbon ngwe gu we ma bi agbon do bi owe iju no ho wa odamegbe o salobwa yogboko yododo pebo awe mi aje isebe awe sembe no iju we na gele negbe goroti iju we ma se no ti we bi me wo babezo wo ya gule lo pe agbina yi igwe re baba ga na sharo eko a ijebe dije o wa gebe o ijebe o ijebe dije ane po ma se no fi uvun ogba ne po o ma se no fi uvun aragun ara ese edogbo imi o ya ye goroti ane po ma se no fi uvun we de neje wa ma se agwa kawe ye neje u dani ni jenia of ye no TV bude no TV bude no we TV no ba van so pani we wa ne you wa give on saba you wa total you wa go on so you boy if won saga wo lo he ba di we o wa ba bola you egbe awu wa bi you ka we ki apa la be ngwa ye wa la de oye me fesi na pa ya mi je wa ga ma me honi ige okpe no we ye fesi na ka be we ne so pa wa be boni me wa I know boy we fuck boni and fuck mama I know I call the boy name I know Ebony 400,000 ibe ye gu wo ye gu me no gu biju e no so gu bagbon beggy sloppy I dey go UK I dey go this one be big girl 400,000 if ye gu no gbe o bagbon no gun ba won meji ju o he iju we me agbero we ba bola you egbe bagbon o vi hun tan agbe bi e ba do e be na wa bi cover ebe boni how you cover Obasuyi how you cover odegbele Otogbo egbegbe wa okize owe de no wo tagbo ya ga agoko iyo saloba we no ri mena we awa aga asu ne be boni iyo ebe wu o sa we se o ebe wu reni ai mo ya no bi e to vie no asen ya ni aya ne Obasuyi ge ebe boni ge wo lele mo ya no bi yan o bi e no bia oni wa la we boni na wa do wa be we bo awe kote wa mu yan owo wa agokin awe to wa bo yu hun be we bo ima oni su ni bi e be ge kote ro pa awo hin wa ta wo ga ti e sugbalele sugbogbo Shubalele, awe kotis yo ya u Italy. Na wabu ya wasinye yega. Ega ni azi yin of vie no. Awa wu ne wu so wo ma ewu. So we boteri pa, eri la din ba. Ogyo ni okun ya wu ji. Iyu e mami o ma bon wo we no kin no ya la din yo we bo ri we bo ni e bie na. O mo ko no di oba bie. No ko no ti e bo ni opa no be bo no be bie. Awe mi son wa bie. Awe o wa na ko ke bo ba. Odo le odo bibetan odo tebo lemu owe is a cause family. Come you will be mad don't go marry Ebony married a cursed woman. You married a barren. Ebony can never have a child in her life. Ebony is stubborn. Ebony not get womb again. He lare gogosien. Mr. Ibu no who avagbon. He me wa mo se me mere de bo so iwa la jonga la me mere bo se o fita no ma avagbon. La wo de ne ti talk wa when we fita na na me ke na aberi an gba o se. Hu da yen wa total e akin igbogun yen gbo me nu poro gbe no gbe hotel gbo yin amamu. Hey, you are doshi ona kwa be bole. You are doshi. Ebony phone go abi o wa bi oni sango. Esther Edokpaji. And Ebony, they go France. Esther Edokpaji carry Ebony follow body and make they go do show. As they come reach there, they come stay for Esther Edokpaji younger sister house. And Esther Edokpaji younger sister, she get husband, she get children. Ebony now, your Ebony just carry Esther Edokpaji sister husband. You just fuck her for inside toilet. Now that one cost more for sure. Esther Edokpaji na vie. Oh we in lay. Ya say big destiny. Eke destiny te wa book Ebony way. Esther na we. I turn ala de we no. La wo was even no see me. We say ki ana e ona mi na o na on. Ya Tyler di na we ni vie la de social media ya give. Ya ta ma me wo ma pe na we nu we kwen gbere. La go go se ki ai. Me na wa ye gwana. Ebony ve Esther. Iya ko so pa Ebony be e destiny okay mole. O se kan ya wa hu da destiny ye ze dia we. Fun enu e wo ho. Ebony Biego, we went toilet, any toilet, you know me, Ebony, Biego. If you get 100 euro, you get 50 euro, Ebony, come. You come Europe, you see her. Time I when also get Biego, give her 50 card, Ebony. Oh, what me away? No, what about la me when they go about in my bola, we bula, bon. My boy, if you come, give you where you wear air vessel way. Who will not what do where you never. He got to hear you know a hole, where you know it. Who will you when I will deviate Sharon? Who when you abandon your life because of child children, I abandon my life. I don't even look for work again. I don't even care about my life. When on I say, you saloba on I know go no ma wow. No go no ma Garanti aka no go no ma hoge. Garanti yi. Garanti. Rude o ma be. Owe no ma be ba no ma be jwe. Ama when we was say. Ama when we ya me money. Do we not gele ene if you are really responsible. You they go from your house go to see those children. At least weekend. You close for work weekend now you take get chance. Maybe you they work on Saturday or you know they work on Sunday. On Saturday, you close, you go their house. If to say you're responsible, I was so ashamed of you when you talk that thing, say because of child children, you not go look for work again, you abandoned your life, you don't even care about your life again. If you are a ho, your mother is a failure because she could not advise you. If you be a go there, be here, but my go be here. Or I go give you me with the Saloboa. Mr. Ibu. It as a responsible girl, a big girl with matured. A responsible girl. Where everybody go, they say, man, this girl too much. She they try. So long, you want just help a day, Mama Sharon. They still they go, they take care of the children. As you close for work on Saturday, and you they come back from work, you pass their house. You carry Mimi, carry the other one, carry them go house, play their hair, give them food. On Sunday evening, because you go work Monday morning. On Sunday evening, or in the midnight, you carry them again, put them for taxi. If not taxi, na strasser bound, na current and na bus, you put them for a side bus, you still go drop her. Oh, the Mama Shaba will still say, oh, well, say, oh, only this one day, when I walk back, when who was saying that's to show how useless you are. That's to show that you don't have a life. You don't have a life. Because somebody will get life cannot do what you are doing. Go no, if you go sit down for Sharon house, or in the name of you are taking care of the children, taking care of which children? Yes. You might love the children. I'm not saying you not take care of them, but no, it's not the way you are doing it. Because somebody you abandon, you not go look for work. Oh, who are you? They squat up and down they go. You not feel look for your life. At least when you find man, when you find boyfriend. Even though say you not see boyfriend, then you still see one way go fuck you, way go give you belly. Umamie, magwalo. What take care of him? If you ever know who, useless idiots. You think how you talk that one, people come they clap for you because of Sharon children. Guarantee, Mr. Ibu, he not come go look for work. She just God. Even Sharon herself, if Sharon they alive, if to say this her baby, where she newborn, the baby now never reach 1 year. Sharon go start work. You know, say because of her children, say she not go look for work. She just live her life like that, being frustrated because who because who ya okay age Sharon. No, who see and why are here? People don't really know you. They don't know you are supporting the mother because I mean you see where they sleep. That's the reason you are doing all this. Unless the people will not guessing because you are a lazy asshole. You are a lazy bitch. You can't walk. Your mates were there for Italy there. If they don't get, they don't somewhere not get documented. They look for people documented, go they walk. So you think that you talk this for everybody, all the presenter, all the Nigerian people, oh, Mr. Ibu, you are a very nice friend. You are a very nice person. One nice you are an idiot. You are an idiot. You are cursed. Your mother need to go to Bonnie no one look where came even no ya zolo uzuogbe uwe ohua na ya bios wa bioji. Mr. Ibu gogosie goroti na aya goroti epa atiti munwe doroti ati wo we ho we doyo odoyoti. From today your name is Odoyoti, aka Mr. Ibu Odoyoti. Odoyo na you be Odoyo ye fun. You abandon your own life because of another person's children. Jesus. Emonu where you we are abandoning life in near. Emon one who ya you winner who to kokomo just because you are so lazy. You cannot work for yourself. Imagine as you don't take reach for Europe, you don't even have one room of your own where you they pay put every month. It's a shame on you. Your level self, if you get one room, it's a shame. Say you not that big apartment, only you want for you for your way. Only you want to work out for you. Say you talk, you go make go, you go naked, follow the whole house. Ain't you ashamed of yourself? Anywhere Sharon did, now Sharon will just be laughing at you when look at your life. You are not there to take care of Sharon's children. You are there as an opportunist because you cannot walk. You cannot even pay. In fact, a girl who don't spend that many years for Europe, you not get B where you they pay in a month. Shame on you. You know how many people where I don't help? I don't carry hotel for this one. You know how many people where I don't know where they send money give every month. If I say me a calculator, they pass 10. They pass 10. Not because I shoot them on my fly. I know they talk and come out. You know bills where babes they pay. Go pay this one. Pay your own bills finish. You'll still they pay other people's bills. But tell me you're Taladian. But shame on you. You are there for your own greedy, your own selfish interest. You are there for your own selfish interest. If you could say it yesterday where Sharon paid a price. Like seriously, and Mama Sharon they listen to all those things where they talk. Mama Sharon will still call you, say, may you can't take care of Sharon friend, Sharon children. It's not that you want to hold the children, but the thing is this. You are a greedy bastard. You are there for your selfish interest. You are not there for those children. You are there because I mean you see where poor heads sleep. That's the reason you are there. You are not there for any other reason. Now let people will not know you. Nene sagana we are why you do who want me to who want my dear. Where was send a request? Where do do na? Where want me to there you know where muk mo you no yak mo dokpa. We muk mo you no yak mo bi jeme. He we wa be where de gun wa mute ba ni quick me na go along my sister. We ka to be na ye. Mo me do pe akun do ko ki wa to. Emi na gbon ama we gbe. La to be no bi jeme mo. Ko. Aba yo. Ami gbe wa zepe. Umasa be wa go metere o ahia yo dukun e to agbon do ma on e ma mu voice wa at least we mu pon you know yakwa we e dem mu pon you know we are send the request we I do taba na then we I do contribute na nia we e to agbon bi je me ona magba nia ona magba e o me gwa le gbe nonsense na me awa re platform me so awa bi we ro dukun ba ogun who go mute we do we got to we are getting a fake account yet or a send a request as a fake account so my own voice away my sister where why comment section we are done me o fi jeme my work we mo e na go ama work be comment here masa you sa lo bo ni ra ate won ba di gbe teri po e na mi atai oh yeah.
Ivie ayo gwe wo etore do to we.
Equally go to any. Where you know the talk, you don't the why go say you fake account. Stay on the comment section. Don't send request to me.
Okay.
Unlike
Eva yo wa go eri eva ni ye o me.
Ni la wi je me o sa bo aje e hin o ya he bo ni ha. Me wa wo me.
Okay.
So go no.
Awore do to wo we do ka to re o
but I ask you have go do me go no po ete me nita o wa abodu ko na here ba yi ja u na o we no magia bofua o ma understand we wa abodu ko ba ni o kwa mute gbon ugbo so be me platform me so o kwa mute o salobo at least e me so be ro o ma una mo voice yon vi pon you no or iku owu vi you no or you baba yo you no yak balu no agbon pra enu gbedu ase dey request we me we ata na everybody no talk ba we do you do we I do talk we mo ebo gbe gboni ni o se ti mo ebo gbe because o ma o lu we I send the request ba bi ye me la go bi ye me as a blogger. You know what me they hear your voice as a blogger. Over here we will have a comment section no have you we are recording no recording have a comment section we are you do e tafia na yakin e ke tafia na yakin wo abo toto wo have a comment section wo have you no have you no have you wo ko have you and where do I send them why send the request about we here na wa si lo wa do gbogbo agbo me te me na gbogbo agbo we do no do awo kabiyesi o. You understand? Hey, baba woman. Then another me. You are not there for any other reason. Look at a man, few boy so boy. You don't they use and tell the you go play the children here. You wanted the father to come and tell you thank you. Thank you for what? I'll give one. Iye Sharon to be what you Iye Sharon to boy again mama 50 cents you where I walk again with you where you're not where who yak mo do coke who do coke ye man no gunu be o bakun no coke ye mi ne bio ogo Iye Sharon la ni aga gbon ogo emi ge Sharon you know you bu ke bo kebe ogo Iye nu wa be una egboko who be akin no we mi ya umi o kan o kara mi e wo tu mi o kan de you we are here no gabo bi o kan la bi ame na hin dupe ati era dupe TV dupe mi ati ewa dupe TV ti wa gun ina wa send the request mi aki me yi o gwa ki be we be ne TikTok ya o gwa send the request o gwa e la de ma be agwa be you come on get off here we so o me ati platform we agwa be ra wa be you are Uzo. You don't know where you climb. Here, my tama oh boy. I don't do many why you do who are responsible, but I worry here. Where's over? Oh, man, and one responsible. I don't do. You might hear when I met you where the may platform, but meta where I bet me could send the request you. He may get out to woman, and I'm your very water. Nenu one or that Sharon, papa not go ever, Sharon, baby children, papa, he not go ever see the children again. All done Wabiok and Wabielena, Yago or abandon one, abandon no more. What must you worry? I must you worry. I mean, not time, not tasse. I move back to Yogo International. We are working here. Havene ikpewa abado no mona o mo bogwan ye ne no gwan ni be gwan yo voa vulaka oye no so vu guy wogo lare he not go take off. Who are you to say it? Were you there when Sharon met her baby father? Were you there when they met? Were you there? Were you present? Hey, Sharon, you were suma where? Hey, baby father mena. Hey, rock na wiye. Na wo go de beji en wiye gbe. Nu gbe wa kon na agbo di na imi. Hello, mute agbo ko bi je me. Mute.
To work why that was very
A problem is okay. Ni za get calendar for. Oh, we Jimmy. What? You understand? Eh, Sharon, you were super on we are woo. No la, what gisu no na. Iwe no la. Iwe no guiji baby papa yok bani ebele na no gbe di na emi no gbe o. Eh, no go where be your way. Amada hinai. Ebi na zo we dia. Eh, no go.
Good evening.
Good evening. We can mute.
Mommy Vie.
Can mute every Jimmy call you. Call me Jimmy. Call. Uma understand. Here you were suma. No go bua. You no go so the coconut yo. No go bua. Where be your way? Na me we ta e go e baby father we fi awude have a go baby father we sin your monu gbe o bagbon e ri you we sin every one wo ho na never na subaja no let me we wa na so they follow you drag asubaja no so go bagbon e ri agwera sin iwe a ni ma bola we gbe no one time at it na the social media hit me ma ko because of I get a for this one, nobody want to talk to for the matter. The guy bought ticket all the way from Nigeria. She has been calling mama. He is Sharon now. She's on my pick. What we know? Oh, when we are dog, Oja. If you know it, but not walking near me at the wagon with me about you. Or we quit. Oh, you ever say near stop. Oh, you never don't not win here. Hey, yeah, a shower night, yeah. But yeah, Oswanumacon, or Doyoti. Oh, Doyoti, aka Mr. Ibu, or Doyoti, or Doyoti. Hey, mommy, view what? Where's the mommy? Where's the mommy lie? Come on me. Oh, no, your Doyoti of your mama. Hey, I don't work, but I work. Nu gba ora gbon nu yunta ene we odoyoti ugwe mo na ye gbe so bia subaja we wo kian ikeke wo kian wa kera gwe na we ya bie kwa yin last we ye gan ye na no wa boto no mo na ye gbese iye du gwe ma zuwa gwa yu e du gwa ma zuwa we na wa bo awa awete egugu bo anaka iwe bo awa iwe na bo awa una what does what webo how Europe is part of education where one like webo una what do you are who do you are una what does you are if you know what does you are pa bobo where ooh e gwe no bi kwogede e gwe no bi kunya wa do bi kwogede odo yo ti ku gwe ki you na ohu ana iwon sa mo ni won sa gbe esusu gwale bugu wa lare o wa ohu wa ma ne gbe Igo me TV bude no. Iye Sharon no nyazo, we no nyazo. Owo wi epu gbo wi ugbo do mo nya wu ya ya ki o odoyoti. Ura mi u ya ki e me na o. Odoyoti me nu ta eni. Odoyoti no bi asubaja. E me na nu gwe bi egbe yi da mi no ma kan we me nu gwe wa yu yo e me na wo de egbe mi o boya to le gbe da no va me ne koke we wa hian na no va me no keke ri mi o boya to le gbe o dara ti do bi asubaja o we ri mi o boya to le gbe o owo mi o boya to le gbe o e Sharon akawe e Sharon ara ere Sharon roba gbon ona le lera siri we no bi odo yo ti no bi asubaja awe ameyeke we ama e Sharon akawe nu we Sharon e na be mi no ye aziki awe ona ka wijwe ona ka we ona si wo bera awe ameyeke we ama e o ma si mi wo bera ogun ba ora gbo e no va me no keke no de gbe mi boya to le gbe ama wa oh yo ga uro yo ga de yi wa we mi na ya fefefe wa gbe kegede udi o ye ya yo kan ga je nu e bi yo kan ga je nu na akwa akokupo yo who da na we wa wo mai wa wo mai ijo me ije Sharon no wa nyane e mama 50 cent I wanna aru moto ona ge was wanna ge me ko no kun se o salo bo alera me wa fi obo wa fi obo nya hun wa fi obo ye we ni ka o eni ka no to le do ebo panye ya gbegbegbe no le wa die mi ugwe na egu e bi ozuo na egu e lozuo ye na ya bi ozuo no ye me gogo si ere odo yo ti no ya subaja iwa bi oyi masu wa bi ataparapa uwa bi ataparapa wa eni e wa bi ahion ye ra nini anini ni aye ni agati wow that bad try that ma try o Jacques mon je mi agbo ka ri agwete si ene ni gba si ene ni bodu azuo ma bere ni uwa bubuwa uwie we bodo bubuwa ozuo nu ma kan we bi ati o ma zuo wo wa azuo muda ezuo uwe o salo boa wa ga zuo o e garanti no bi asubaja na ya gie mi no kun se iba bala ju egbe go ma se ti o aswa na ya gie mi no kun se awe rozo bi jo so awe ti ate vie but you ogugwe iwe be se ti so iba bo wa fi kun le ju eju ma se ti so we wa se na vie oh keke na wa se Sharon wa view we se de egu ni mo bele go ni yo se de egu me bi ye me WhatsApp ni mo ejo ma no sungu meni ya fie ne mi we bi opa marie oh baba ne baba o ma sa u tamare na afie we bi e la gogo won mute u tamare na afie we bi e ni me ke na afie we bi e yo also na ya game no kun say no nyezo ona to time we motor na give e ba we ye do egbe kina after many years we webo oh my God I'm so ashamed of you after you don't date Europe for so many years somebody sent you no you have everywhere where now some that they do can you imagine and you call yourself you live here webo after for years neni tali no wa yebani labe ezu wa yeba muda evenu ba so ya nyi wa ye na ni we ivie digun amo wa ye na ni ma ni wuwa e ma ni bo akwe ma so ba eso ye hi abo o ma be e double ti odo yo ti no ya subaja na ona su wo gbe bo hi deni me wa sen after many years le wepo o ma gwa mu me bubu ari na igwe no gwa mi agwe aga gbina me webo ge e police aregwe of your no geta have your boy to anti ge alele mi alele gwe no ku una gwe alele bia ni gbina gwe me that thing you did we even favor Isaac that thing you guys plan to when I have Isaac if we McDonald's that thing we favor that guy. Because after they played everything, the guy will not explain. Police will not ask him, what was the reason? Did you know these people before? What was the reason? Why they come meeting for inside McDonald's, can't they do this kind of humiliate like this? The guy will not start crying and explain. Then the government go enter the case. Oh, you mean you are the father of these children? Oh my God, yes. Is this your name? Are the passport okay? Yes. Now the name, now they for your children. Oh, well, now let's go for DNA. My brother Isaac, go take a legal action. Don't mind anybody. You see that begging? Uma go your man, you are. Iye Sharon, every Sharon, mweko de, every Sharon, amigo, iye Sharon, ijo, abo, kabie, yo. Eti doro iye Sharon, ye Sharon, every Sharon, amigo, you go home. Ijo ma simi we bo be, o ma simi e Sharon bo bi je, igo pa me, o ma simi ya bo be obe mi ya. Eh Sharon, quelque vidéo pas mais on tient bien et y a goudia ou que vient la webo. Eh Sharon, mamu go you go Yes Sharon. Eh Sharon, mamu go you O masio mwebi. Ogi se gbo monia, omo no bi agwa. Una we to you go nya o. We me e ku na you go nya o ko bia na o. E ba nu we na you go nya. Eh monia ga o ga e nya ga se kian. He get go to no ho. My brother, take a legal action. Don't go and beg anybody. Don't even call the woman again. Take a legal action. Thank God. The whole case now, you don't there for police station. My brother, I will tell you, go and take a lawyer. Because I know say you enter Europe. When one week, do where we go. Where worry? When la dia for donation, people will donate for you. La dia already no give. I donate to you. Osalo bare gbo we make me. You understand? They yamalele we are there. Tamia ni send this so go and take a good lawyer. Church and be lawyer. Every lawyer na yo bok paswa. A lawyer no ga mudia or a quote enwe papa. E me va ka hiata awa close the case where you win the case, Mr. Isaac. Because you are not there to even take. They will even ask you. They will ask you if you want to take the children. You are not there. You weren't there. You didn't come to take those children. It's not a crime for you to ask or to want to be in the life of your children. It's not a crime. Is it a big deal for a man where he only read that million? What's the big deal over there? What's the big deal there? There's no big deal. Everybody came your way or where Mama girl. Mama girl, Mama girl, Mama girl, Mama girl, Mama girl. Away no nyamo na ya gi ne no go ka o. Ana ho. Happy. Reason where you do that. La wo bi ye. E network obugwe la do ko be ade no gi hina. My sister. La wo bi ye no sa dia ye. La wo yan wo me bi ye. La wo tamame de picture no send me ban. Tamame na ya wo Bi happy e wo ya change.
Why say wa bere picture in that send the gwe na. Who are money yo?
Okay, they can hear me bo. Me as I don't dey live so.
Effect, wa me wani.
Muda never na live fet when me na even live video na. E make any effect gige bo na.
Oh ma say no na ma say.
They can effect gige boy.
Yeah. Ototo o wa me ekene ya tema when wa me ekene na je sa de kena na comment ni. Wa me eminire ba ni.
Okpa ekene na mo ma bi odukun then the next one boss. Right?
Oni.
Okay, they can the arrow, abi the pen.
The pin. Una say ya get conversation. Oye when we are comment wa me keni agbi feti ba ni fetu kan na seti change.
Me ma mi feti ya mi je me atasi we be ba di.
E gwa oni se body ogwe so bada dege.
Sa lo baba gwe mudane.
Ikepe body ogwe.
Ti me pion na ni. Why explain them ma be say me ma wa even na we na or when a green screen. But me ma mi ekeni.
If it's green no ide.
Oh green.
My lord this one.
Me a here allow me na beg ni me ya la video na me yeke no gije bo. No da mi o me no ibe ma na kina na mo ma bi do ko one boss then me je me ge. Ça nous voit les rames. Maman, et plus là, non?
Mommy vient de. Ide.
Go, full and gift. More. Yes.
After the arrow, the other no you na pen.
Yeah, the pen, yeah.
Opione.
Oh, give me ene. Mudia. Ya can gabi one eye. One eye woni abi.
Bani, then why me the picture?
Me mamie picture no go send the way.
I dey WhatsApp ka save you where for ene. All you know save the picture we. Uka save the picture and then why me bani.
Okay, hold on. Hold on. I think he had yo.
The camera down right there.
Iwe egbe ne. Mudia na oni we egbe ari ba. No. Ina ma easy gelele. Ina na wa uno. Ma yasha. Imi ene. Olane.
Ebelefu. Olane.
No gi olane.
O wa de yo ni e.
Baba.
Sa.
Ko yo.
Obo wa ma be ni abi Mrs. Belefu. Oga wa no.
Ko wa fun na.
Our work. Like continue don't contribute to your don't not contribute.
Sadeye, on mute, may you talk. On mute. Okay, see why I can't contribute in it.
The Laura like Guyen who are there because I believe on agenda na wound dead amount living na here. I go na one because I when I cake bona. I mean, by your Ebony. La re my dear sister ten or la re. Okay, kodota me no wa kan we na ma hia me no kan we bo. Ozwona no mama na ni atie yi. Ni awe Mrs. Ibu na mana do ladian do agwe izi omoru yigwan. We ladian abi we memo we no keta wo agbezi omoru izi omoru ye room evidence room video room voice note we pe na me ge rudo no na we na do ladian do wa le lelizi gwe wa ai wo ge gbe wa hia wa wo ge gbe wa enu do le gbonu na e sharon wa
evidence omo bi e ladian no gbe o ba go
e sharon wa wo e ma ku wo ra na best friend there. A best friend there, Sharon, because he just the beg and if you Sharon make a peace. Where over your dead body? Why they get this to make a peace? Why about he don't make a peace with a Sharon? After the hero, the power he was in and 2 on in Agbera. Ebony, Yaga ave asaba actress. Ya ware to talking akugola wa fade actress. Do fade actress. Ya akugola wa do awe saga ekwemu Ebony. Wa tamizi no ya bi we me se no bi we wamo. Enye we hi. Go see
that people celebrity. Only one pikin where the boy resemble her. No one everybody the thing go viral. I me omok money and I want na Ebony no go viral. Our money I just say no money.